No.
Celine, you're partying this. You didn't even drink his tea. Here's the boat out. And here, look at you.
You ain't getting that.
What's that for?
Hold on. Go get her Caroline. Mock for Andy.
It's all gone wrong.
Pass it over.
It's all gone wrong. What's happening?